go to the Keychain here. Keychain, you have a little bottle opener as well on the back of the lock back. So it's a folding lock back knife. Got a nice little blade there. Push down on the lock bar, close it. Cool thing about it is you got this key ring here. You can put your keys on it. And the way you do that, there's a little tab right here. You slide this back, it unlocks, and it snaps back in there, securely locking it. So you can put it on a D-ring, hook it on your pack, hook it on your belt loops. You can hook keys onto it. Super nice, super cool. All stainless steel construction. Got a nice little folding lock back knife there. This is the Keychain. And again, nice little bottle opener on there.
This is the Victorinox Classic SD Swiss Army knife. The Classic SD is one of Victorinox's most popular designs. Closed, this little multi-tool is 2.28 inches long and includes 7 different tools. A penknife blade that is 1.5 inches long, a nail file, flathead screwdriver, scissors, keyring, tweezers, and my personal favorite, a toothpick. The Classic SD is a perfect keychain multi-tool and comes in very handy with many EDC needs. The Victorinox Classic SD comes in more than 70 different handle graphics and colors, including this Blade HQ Mermaid exclusive and this Lobo Loco exclusive. When it comes to the Victorinox Classic SD, there's a style for everyone. As with all Victorinox knives, the Classic SD comes with a lifetime warranty. Let us know down below what your favorite Victorinox Swiss Army knife is. For more knife overviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the sweet new knife releases. Follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our email newsletter below.
This is the GDC Zip Blade, part of the new Gerber Daily Carry collection. With the GDC Zip Blade, you'll always have a cutting tool nearby. It features a lightweight, durable, fine-edge utility blade and includes a frame lock for safety. It can be attached to your jacket or your pack, and there's a clip for quick release. This is the GDC Zip Blade.
choice was the tapered samurai. We have recreated the iconic samurai sword. Pocket-sized,